Now here's the deal. This is what a lot of people get wrong when trying to clean their car. They have their dash wipes, they have their windshield cleaner, they have their yada yada yada. It's honestly a waste of time. Now I spent the last 4 years flipping cars and helping people flip their cars. And the deal with that is, nobody wants to buy a dirty car. Let me show you how to do it just like that. Here is what you'll need. Soap, dish soap and shampoo work fine, glass cleaner, a bucket, a vacuum cleaner, a box, a rag, paper towels. The last thing you will need is a trash bag. For the start, you'll need two things: your trash bag and your... The first thing that has to happen, everything has to come out. Everything. When I was just starting, this took me for hours. What I did, I checked every single receipt. I checked every single box. I checked every single thing and sorted what's trash, what's not. Takes forever. So, what you do, if you know it's trash for sure, toss it in. If you start doubting, don't sit there. Don't ponder on it. Stop it. So if in doubt, do not pout. Grab your box, toss it in here. Trash for sure, doubts and not trash. Here we go. A lot of it really is just a mindset. If you have your mind in the game, you can get it done. And we move on. Vacuum time. The secret to doing it quick and efficient is not in the details. It's the lack thereof. What do I mean by that? If you focus on the small things, a lot of times your big dreams will run away from you. I mean, don't let the small things hold you up from big dreams, big achievements, big goals. Do it quickly. This is how this is gonna go. Throw out the mats. You don't need these. Find a place to scrub your floor mats. Soap. Water. Vacuum. The sun. There was a dog. The sun does set quickly where I'm at, but that's not stopping us. Let's get this done. Now that we got the dirt and rocks out of the way, we're gonna wash those floor mats and scrub and double those windows like there's no tomorrow. Now for squeaky clean windows, quickly you need to remember two things. Once wet, twice dry. Once wet, twice dry. Squeaky clean windows like that. Let me show you how it's done. Now for the last step, but before we get into that, I would just like to say I would highly advise against dash shiners, dash protectants, any of that stuff. It turns into a thick layer of dirt, grease, slime, and hair on your dash, on your doors, or anywhere you put it really after a few uses. The best thing to use for your dash, honestly, dish soap. That's the best you can find. Now for the last and final part, we'll need a bucket, a rag, and some dish soap. Here we go. And we don't need much at all, just one large drop. About there. Now if your panels are really dirty, you can use a more concentrated solution of water and soap in a spray bottle. And go through with that first with a rag, and then go through with the lightly soapy water with more wrung out rag. Because if you use a more wet rag, you can get more dirt off, but you get everything soaked and you have to dry it off then. But if you use a rag that you wring out more, you can get it all done in one go. So that's what I'm gonna do because my panels aren't that dirty. Now after we get our door panels out of the way and our dash panel out of the way, we need to get our rocker panels. The panels down below right here where your feet slide around, those are the dirtiest parts, those go last, or else you'll get everything dirty. And that is how you can have your car go from grime to prime in under an hour. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.